Before you buy a portable clothes closet, there's one thing no product page mentions: how easily they collapse under real use. Everyone shows perfect setups, but if you've ever lived in a dorm or small apartment, you know these things get knocked around. And that's where most fail. Today, I'm breaking down the real differences. Product number 1, LOKEME Heavy-Duty Portable Wardrobe. This LOKEME closet caught my eye because it's built like a tank, 19 steel pipes and reinforced plastic joints. At $61.79, it's mid-range but feels sturdier than most. If you want something that won't wobble when you hang heavy winter coats, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has 3 hanging rods and 6 shelves, plus side pockets, perfect if you're short on closet space and need to store folded clothes, shoes, and accessories all in one spot. The non-woven fabric cover zips up completely, so dust won't settle on your clothes, which is huge if you're storing seasonal items. And at 51.7 inches wide, it holds a surprising amount without taking over your room. Now some people might complain about the assembly. The pipes can be tight to fit into the connectors. Here's the thing though, that tight fit is actually what makes it stable. Once it's up, it doesn't budge. Just take your time and use a rubber mallet if needed. It's not instant, but it's solid. This is perfect for you if you need long-term storage in a bedroom or dorm and want something that looks clean and holds up. Skip this one if you need to move it daily. It's not the lightest. But for the price and build, it's a steal. Product number 2, VIP-EK V5 Industrial Strength Rack. Now, if LOKEME's 19 pipes felt strong, wait till you see the VIP-EK V5. This thing uses carbon steel and holds up to 890 pounds. At $180.26, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's built like commercial store equipment. If you want a portable closet that doubles as a heavy-duty storage system, this is it. Here's why this matters for you. 4 hanging rods, 8 shelves, and a footprint of nearly 6 feet long. This isn't just a closet, it's a full wardrobe solution. Each rod holds 60 pounds, so you can hang multiple suits or coats without sagging. The adjustable shelves mean you can customize it for tall boots or folded sweaters. And because it's freestanding, you can slide it into a corner or laundry room without drilling anything. Now some people complained about the assembly being confusing at first. Here's the thing though, the instructions are dense, but once you lay out all the parts and follow the diagram step by step, it clicks. It takes about 45 minutes, but the result is rock solid. This isn't a quick pop-up, it's a build it once, use it 4 years kind of deal. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of clothes, live in a rental, or run a small clothing business from home. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need something compact. But if you want maximum storage and don't mind the price, this is the heavyweight champ. Product number 3, Jofular Compact and Covered Wardrobe. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for small spaces, the Jofular Portable Closet. At just $36.04, it's the cheapest here, but don't sleep on it. If you want something affordable, easy to move, and still covered, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you. It's only 34 inches wide, so it slips into tight spots, perfect for dorm rooms or studio apartments. 2 hanging rods and 4 shelves give you enough room for daily outfits, and the 8 side pockets are great for socks, belts, or scarves. The fabric cover zips shut, keeping dust out, and the whole thing weighs under 7 pounds, so you can carry it when you move. Now some people said the shelves sag if overloaded. Here's the thing though, each shelf is rated for 15 pounds, so as long as you don't pile on heavy books or shoes, it holds up fine. It's not for bulk storage, but for clothes and light items, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you're a student, renter, or need a temporary closet that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you have a large wardrobe or heavy items. But for the price and portability, it's a no-brainer. Product number 4, VTRIN Wide Capacity Covered Closet. Now, if Jofular was compact, this VTRIN model goes the opposite direction, 67 inches wide, making it one of the roomiest portable closets out there. At $51.48, it's a great middle ground between size and price. If you want maximum hanging space without buying a full closet system, this is it. Here's why this matters for you. 4 hanging rods mean you can separate work clothes, casual wear, and formal outfits, no more tangled hangers. The 4 shelves and side pockets add tons of extra storage, and the cover zips up with Velcro tabs so you can access one section without opening the whole thing. The metal frame is 0.6-inch diameter, so it's strong but not overbuilt. Now, some people mention the cover fabric feels thin. Here's the thing though, it's still waterproof and breathable, and as long as you're not dragging it across concrete, it lasts. Just treat it gently and it protects your clothes just fine. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of long dresses, coats, or suits and need organization without renovation. Skip this one if your space is super tight, but for wide, covered storage, this is a standout. Product number 5, 4-tier freestanding closet organizer. Finally, this no-frills 4-tier rack at $64.37 surprised me. It doesn't have a cover, but it's simple, sturdy, and great for open storage. If you want visibility and airflow like in a laundry room or entryway, this is a solid choice. Here's why this matters for you. 4 shelves and hanging rods give you flexible space for coats, bags, and folded clothes. The open design means you can grab something fast without unzipping anything. It's also easy to assemble and fits in narrow spaces like behind a door or in a hallway. Now, some people wished it had a cover. Here's the thing though, if you're using it daily and want quick access, the open style is actually a benefit. Dust isn't usually a problem in high-traffic areas, and you can always add a curtain if needed. This is perfect for you if you need a simple, no-cover solution for everyday use. Skip this one if you're storing seasonal clothes or want privacy. But for functionality and airflow, it's a quiet winner. So which one's right for you? LOKEME for sturdy covered storage, VIPEK if you need industrial strength, Jofular for tight budgets and small spaces, VTRIN for wide hanging capacity, and the 4-tier for open, everyday use. Each solves a different problem, the key is knowing yours. Drop your setup in the comments, I'd love to hear how you're using yours.